One would not avoid admiring the beauty that meets the eye while driving along the Garrisa Road in Thika, Kiambu County. A powerful sound of gushing water from the Athi River welcomes you to this scenic site in Thika. 14 falls, which are 25 meters high, have its waters from the Athi River, the second largest river in Kenya after Tana River. The famous 14 falls in Thika, Kiambu County derives its name from the 14 distinct waterfalls. The scenic site frequently receives visitors interested in birding, diving, boating and nature walks. It is also believed that the naming of 14 falls was attributed to a former white settler, Lord Macmillan, who initiated efforts of conserving the area and placing its mark on the world map, an initiative that has over time wooed domestic and foreign tourists to spend time and place a mark at this memorable site. Its historical and religious importance has continued to see the Asian community use it for recreation as well as a site for its rites of passage. The Agikuyu community would also use the waterfalls for circumcision of their young boys in a rite of passage to adulthood. The rocks at the base of the waterfalls create a breathtaking scene, especially for visitors interested in nature walks. The experienced guides frequently lead visitors downstream and onto the spectacular falls before being transported to the other side of the falls through this wooden boat at a fee. The flora and fauna by the falls is undoubtedly a rare experience. Thika, that is known for pineapple growing, also prides in being host to Oldonyo Sabuk National Park, otherwise known as Kilimambogo. This is due to the large number of buffaloes found in the area. The park is also home to the grave of Sir Macmillan, a famous philanthropist. Are you planning a getaway? It would be advisable to put 14 falls in Thika in your radar for a refreshing experience. The area has a number of well-built lodges with an active nightlife where you can spend over for a memorable safari.
Oi, niambie baba vipi? Mambo shwari, ndo umetokea wapi bwana? Sema burudani tu. Yaani hakuna mkate mgumu mbele ya chai. Na shua baba.